Hi friends, so this video shows how to play PUBG Mobile on PC for free. So for that we need an Android emulator. We can use this LD player emulator. Just go to ldplayer.net and click on this download LD player. Then you will get an ldplayer.exe file. Open it and install. I already installed LD player Android emulator. You can see the screen here. So in this emulator you can see search games. Click on there. Then here you can find PUBG Mobile. Its size is around 2 GB. Or you can go back and click on ranking. There you can see top games. You can install any of this game. PUBG Mobile is available here. Then top apps, you can see the apps. You can install apps. Then so this LD player Android emulator actually providing some settings for PUBG mobile game. You can just click on this setting icon, click on this settings. Then in the bottom you can see game settings. So here we can see the settings for PUBG mobile. You can see in PUBG automatically disable Windows mouse acceleration, shooting mode precious. Then PUBG mobile resolution you can adjust, enable HDR, PUBG RB resolution you can adjust it based on your graphics card. Here you can see the graphics card greater than GTX 5750 Ti. So based on your graphics card you can just adjust, just tune these settings. You will get a good performance when you play the PUBG mobile game. And if you go to advanced, here you can configure the CPU's number of cores you can configure. Then you will get a better performance, and the RAM size also you can configure it for better performance, and the size of the disk you can clear the cache. So these settings are available, and this LD player Android emulator is a good emulator to play PUBG mobile game in PC. You can try it. Just click on the PUBG mobile. You can click on install. It will install. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.